I know somebody you have a good connection with, and you brought up his name early, was Shabba Ranks.
Yeah.
How did you connect with Shabba Ranks now when you got to
Yeah,
him?
but so many people ask me about so before, but I didn't remember how I get his home number.
His home number?
Home number. So not cell phone. So
Yeah.
that time people don't regularly have a cell phone. So but somebody gave me Shabba home number directly. So then I was nervous when I called him first time. It was 2001, you know. So then I call I call his house number. So then I don't know who pick up a phone. Maybe his wifey or his dad. I don't know. I don't remember. But female pick up a phone. So then, may I speak to Shabba? yeah, because I don't know how I can talk to those type of people. So may I speak to Shabba? So then, all right, Shabba is right here. So who is this? My name is Pikkal from Japan. Then so blah blah blah. So then, so Uda. So then, Mr. Shabba, I want to boss your dog plate. All right, come to Ed Robinson studio tomorrow. So that's why I started linking with Shabba.
Just calling his house phone.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's serious. I didn't know. I thought you probably met him at a studio or something.
No.
Yeah.
No. So then every time, all right, so after 5 years, my visa was expired. So now I had to move back to Japan. But every year I come back to New York, I always link up Shabba. Every time. So every year, if I go to New York, I link up Shabba. So it's been more than 20 years now. 20 years so far.
Did you get a chance to bring him to Japan yet?
Nah, because Mighty Crown brought Shabba and Kokoti same time in 2007 and 8. But I do Shabba Japan tour. One of my bucket list.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusichut.com.